very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is prayer and patience, the hidden architecture of devotion. Ladies and gentlemen, prayer is more than words spoken in silence. It is the gentle turning of the heart toward the eternal, the quiet alignment of life with a rhythm greater than time. Devotion reaches its fullness when patience accompanies it. A seed blossoms only in its season, and sunlight warms the earth after a long journey across the cosmos. In the same way, prayer unfolds most beautifully when carried with patience. Patience is presence itself, the companion that allows devotion to ripen into light. Science offers glimpses of this truth. The body finds coherence in prayer. Breath becomes steady, heartbeat calms, and the nervous system settles into equilibrium. The brain, touched by repetition, carves new pathways of clarity and peace. What begins as a practice slowly becomes the very nature of being. The universe mirrors this rhythm. Stars are born after ages of silence. Rivers shape valleys through long journeys. Creation moves at its own pace, yet everything arrives in perfect timing. Prayer resonates with this same principle. Carried patiently, it gathers its strength in the unseen before flowering into the visible. Even in the quantum field, attention holds power. A steady gaze shapes possibility. Prayer held with patience becomes such a gaze, an intention that harmonizes outcomes with a greater order. Psychology also confirms this rhythm. When prayer continues over time, impulses transform into aspirations, and aspirations evolve into enduring qualities. Devotion then becomes a source of dignity, steadiness, and strength. Ancient wisdom called this tapas, disciplined perseverance that purifies intention. Prayer joined with patience nourishes the heart like rain falling on fertile earth. With time, longing becomes aligned with eternal design, and devotion deepens into quiet joy. Cosmology and spirituality together remind the same truth. Galaxies expand with calm rhythm. Dawn arrives at its destined hour. The soul too flowers in its own movement. Prayer is the compass, patience the pace, devotion the path. What's the way forward? Certain possibilities may inspire a living practice in today's world. First, begin with the body. Let prayer rise through steady breath with care for health, wellness, and strength. Aligning life with the natural rhythm of the sun allows the inner sun to shine in clarity. Second, continue with practice. Let devotion return gently each day, while also nurturing skills and abilities that guide life toward chosen progress. Third, widen the heart. Let prayer expand into wisdom, courage, and compassion so that it illuminates both inward and outward journeys. Fourth, walk with patience. See each step as fulfillment in motion, carrying out dharma and karma yoga with purpose and harmony, allowing action to resonate with the eternal order. These pathways are gentle invitations, possibilities through which body, mind, and spirit may rest in deeper alignment. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, prayer shines brightest when joined with patience. Worlds become living vibration, longing becomes presence, and life itself becomes an offering. In such devotion, the soul draws closer to its source, touched by the infinite. As Lord Krishna reveals in the Bhagavad Gita, the yogi who is disciplined, patient, and steadfast in devotion attains peace. In that peace, the divine is found. May prayer with patience awaken the inner sun, guiding each spirit into resonance with the timeless embrace of the divine. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.